What's going on, everybody? This is Future Automation, a place. Okay, what's this? Bot can do it? How does it even know? Okay, okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How does even the bot is sending the messages directly to me? This is something new. Okay, okay. I know you're being watched. I'm sorry, I am being watched. How many times are you going to say that? Yeah, yeah, I know. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, let me just stop the code. Okay, it's already done. So, what's going on, everybody? This is Future Automation, and this is exactly what we are going to do today. We are going to send direct messages to the user who is using the bot, and it's just a 4 5 line code. That's it, guys. It's a lot of fun and it's a lot of use for us in future when we are going to combine it in a kind of ecosystem. But this can make a lot of usefulness when it comes to a lot of different scenarios, and you can use it anywhere wherever you need to provide an automated response or initiate an automated conversation with the particular user. So, with a cup of coffee and with us being watched, let's get started. So, guys, in previous video, what we have seen was how we can send images through the bot, chatbot from Telegram. And if you have not seen it, you can just go to that previous video in the links and you can check what exactly we did. That was kind of a tough code, I can say, but it was kind of fun also. And this one is pretty easier and it's something that everyone can use who has been using Telegram for a while in their business in different scenarios where they are doing some automated stuff. So let's get to the code. Okay, I'll remove the rest of the things which are not useful here, and then we can just. Okay, so we don't need time either. Now, that's it, guys. It's just a 4 line code, nothing complicated here. Just for some proper information, just for some flexibility, I just wanted to figure out how we can send direct messages through a chatbot, initiate the conversation by ourselves rather than the user initiating the conversation. In some cases, we usually have an requirement of sending messages first from the automated process rather than having or getting the information from the user and then sending the messages, or command from the user and then sending the messages. But this is not the case here. So here we need two things. Number one, we need the bot token, which I have already explained in the very first video, and that I have already added in the token key in this particular code. Second, we need is chat ID. Now, to generate a chat ID, what we need to do is we need to go to a bot called user info bot, and here, if we send the command start, it will give us a unique ID which we need to use as a chat ID. So this will not change throughout the time, it will be constant. And so that's really a great thing that we can use in our code, and we can just implement whatever we need to do to send messages or anything to the user directly through the bot. Now here the catch is that if we need the ID of that particular user to send the message, so if you are creating a service of this kind, what you need to do is first you need to get a one-time chat ID from the user and then start working with the code. Or you can just create a process which will have one bot or maybe one command which will ask the user to create its own chat ID and then work throughout it. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me explain you what exactly this is. First part you already know. We'll add the bot token here and then create an instance of bot. That's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. Next to that, we'll use the bot instance and use the send message function, in which we'll specify what is the chat ID, and then we'll send the text message. Although you can send images, videos, lot of different things here, polls, you can use GIFs, you can use, different kind of HTML content as well here. So I'm still exploring a lot of different features that are provided by the Telegram library, what all things we can do. But this is kind of a simple feature that I wanted to add in the ecosystem, so that we'll not be restricted only by the user's initiation, rather we have our own initiation as well. So we'll just run the code one more time just for fun and wrap up the video. That's it, guys. We got the message. You can see here. I think it's time to wrap up the video. So, guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you'll get notified every time I'll add a new video. If you want some more help or any kind of queries, you can hit your issues in the comment box, and I'll surely address them and make sure I'll try to help you with coding stuff. The code is already available in the GitHub. I'll try to make some more interactive, or maybe some more informative code, and then add it in the GitHub, so that it will be a far more easier, uh, or maybe far more functional way of using this particular feature. And yeah, guys, soon I'll be starting with a lot of virtual podcast kind of series, in which we'll be having a lot of boot camps and a lot of innovative coding challenges we'll be taking up, and we'll be doing something innovative in that. So keep in touch with the channel and make sure you check out all the previous videos also. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching it, and keep innovating. Take care.